Hello friend, welcome back to my new channel. China electronic market is dynamic and thriving ecosystem that plays a pivotal role in the global technology industry. With its robust manufacturing capabilities, innovation hubs, and a vast customer base, China has become a dominant force in the production and consumption of electronics products. The heart of China's electronic market lies its city like Shenzhen, often referred to as the Silicon Valley of hardware. Shenzhen is a home of numerous electronics manufacturers, ranging from small startups to industry giants like Huawei, Tencent, and DJI. These companies benefit from a well-established supply chain, proximity to component suppliers, and access to skilled labor, allowing for rapid prototyping and production. China's electric market is characterized by its diversity. It spans various segments, including consumer electronics, telecommunications equipments, semiconductors, and more. The country is known for producing a wide range of products from smartphones and laptops to drones and smart home devices. This diversity is driven by a combination of factors, including government support, robust infrastructure, and a culture of innovation. One of the key strengths of China's electronic market is its manufacturing prowess. The country's factory produce a significant portion of the world's electronic components and finished products. This has led to cost-effective production, enabling competitive pricing for consumers worldwide. It's also a hub of electronics assembly with factories capable of handling high volume and maintaining a stringent quality control. Moreover, China's electric market benefits from a vast domestic consumer base. With over a billion people, there is a substantial demand for electronic products within the country. This internal market fuels innovation and drives manufacturers to create cutting-edge devices that cater to diverse consumer preferences. China electric market is also known for its rapidly evolving technology landscape. The country invests heavily in research and development, with government initiative and private sector innovation hubs driven advancement in areas like 5G technology, artificial intelligence, and electric vehicles. These innovations not only serve domestic demand but also contribute to the global tech ecosystem. However, the market is not without challenges. Intellectual property concern, trade tension, and environmental issues have raised questions about sustainability and ethical practices within the industry. Additionally, competition both domestically and internationally is fierce, with Chinese companies vying for global market share. China's electric market is a multifaceted and influential force in global technology sector. It thrives on a combination of manufacturing capabilities, innovation, and a vast domestic consumer base. While it faces challenges and scrutiny, its impact on the world of electronics is undeniable, making it a focal point for businesses and consumers alike. Stay tuned to our channel for more such informative video. Jai Hind.